fix it now. Drag the scanner to check it out. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the dump truck. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all needs to be fixed. We have to look in the engine. Vacuum the dust and dirt. That's great! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Super duper! That's it! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Keep going. Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. You fixed it! The pipe is broken. No gasoline is coming in. Match the keys to the lock by size. You're so smart. I knew you could backhoe. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super! Wonderful! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. You fixed it! The tire is torn. It needs to be patched. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super! Magnificent! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Super duper! That's great! Put the pack crescent. Square. Super truck. Arrow. Hexagon. That's it! Connect the pump to the wheel. Wonderful! Let's pump the wheel. Keep going. You solved the problem. All done. Now help to assemble dump truck. done! Let's improve the car! Go to the construction site! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Keep going. Keep going. Congratulations! I'm impressed. Here is your prize for your great work. Unwrap. Wow! What an amazing sticker! Here are the best